Welcome to this video of the Cosmic Portal. Today I will talk a little bit of the reptilians. There is a whole new series of videos that I will bring soon that will tell the whole plan and how it works. But there is a specific point that I would like to bring here to share because it's connected with this bigger process that we are facing right now. So this civilization, I'm not going to develop many details now, but this humanity of Earth, it's a genetic experiment of the main stellar star groups of this galaxy. So we are a genetic experimentation. It's a laboratory. Earth is a laboratory of different dimensions and densities mingling to see what happened. They didn't know. No? So it's just a place for us to try and connect and see how these different codes and genetic codes meet and what they can create together. I would deepen into this, the goal of this genetic experiment in another moment. But it's important for you to know that our DNA holds genes from the Pleiadians, from the Sirius, from Arcturus, from Reptilians, from Polaris. So we have different stellar codes into our system. Genetic parts. These on the two hélices, also one of the chapters of this story is that actually our DNA is composed by 12 strings of DNA and we have just two now activated, and the process of awakening is the process of putting these pieces together to rebuild these 12 strings, and these 12 strings, they will open the access for us of the Akashic records. There is the central big bibliothèque, the library, cosmic library, and also this is another chapter. But what is important for now? It's important that we know that part of our genes are from the reptilians. What does this mean? Reptilians, as many beings, they nourish themselves with the material of love. Reptilians feed and nourish themselves with the material of fear. It's not good, it's not bad, it's just another food. They are not vegetarian. No, it's just another material that they consume. So the reptilian energy, it's an energy of control, of limitation, of this dictator vibration of fear, of anger, of all this bad energy that we have in the world. It's the seed that they are bringing to us. And the thing is that we have this seed inside of our blood. We have this part on us where we are capable of terrible things. It's one place that, depending on our circumstances, we can become a killer, we can become a raper, we can do something terrible. It's a place inside of us that can lose the mind, that can lose the connection with the heart, that can become a sociopath. So all of us, we have this part inside of us. And as we know it, and all our culture, it's saying for me that this is bad, you cannot show this, you need to be the nice girl, this is what you can be. All our negative sides we need to push away. So we don't know about this part, we don't connect with it, but we know that this is there. So when we are starting to flourish our being, there is one part inside of us that does not believe that we deserve to be happy, because we know in the deepest of our heart that we are a terrible being, that we are a monster. So this part that is a monster does not recognize that it's a part of a bigger thing and does not allow itself to surrender to the light of the divine. So it's important that we enter into this reptilian part inside of us, and that we embrace this moment, this monster, that we bring this demon, because the God, the light, already know that this part of us exists. It's us that are denying this. We need to bring it together for this monster to become the dragon that will be our phoenix in our ascension path. It's through the connection with this reptilian gate that we can connect with our deepest and more primordial energy to thrive and to be able to ascend this curve of manifestation of our divine being. So that's the pearl that I would like to bring today, to find this spot on you where you are terrible, and find this monster and see the power of it, connect with it. This is the part when you don't need the heart, when you need to be completely rational. You have this tool inside of you, as you have all the other tools of all the other star beings. So do not deny this reptilian part inside of you. It's just by embracing it that we'll be able to manifest our next level of divinity. Thanks a lot, and see you in the next video.